Welcome to my YouTube channel on Fun with Finances. Please like, comment, share, or subscribe by hitting the bell icon in order to receive my newest materials.
Today's topic is the Retirement Lifestyle Worksheet. I've spent the last 32 years working in the financial trenches of this country. Believe it or not, the most successful people among us do a great deal of work planning out not only their lifestyle, but also their retirement. Honestly, you cannot just assume that since you're approaching the age of 65, that you're ready to quit your job or business and just live on Social Security. Really, only 30 to 40% of our retirement should be supplied by Social Security. So what should supply the rest? Sadly, only 3 to 4% can reliably rely on a pension. Those pensions that still exist are mainly with the city, state, and federal entities. That means 96% of us have to save for our own retirements. Put it another way, the risk of retirement is shifted from our employers to us. One of the hardest conversations I've had to have with retirees is how they're going to pay their bills with the lack of savings they have. So let me tell you about a real life scenario. A couple in their 60s comes to me because they're ready to retire. They saved $130,000 towards that retirement. Now, $130,000 is nothing to sneeze at, but it's not enough money for them to live on the next 20 to 30 years. At the rate they were spending, it may only last 3 years. You may not be surprised that the couple was shocked when they were told how quickly that money would disappear. These days, I like to see singles and couples long before they're ready to retire. I have them fill out a retirement lifestyle worksheet. If you'd like a copy of that worksheet, you can email me at scott@scottrulon.com. The worksheet breaks down those expenses between essentials, necessary or needs, and discretionary, what you want.
In fact, we will break down what is in each category soon.
See you tomorrow.